Okay, so this is our Graco swing. My daughter is 4 years old and my son is a year and a half almost. Just a little tip, a great thing to think about when purchasing a swing is they are bulky items. Some kids do well in them and some kids do not. Both of my kids did really well in this swing and we really enjoyed it and it was super helpful. However, I have friends that said that their kid just didn't tolerate the swing and didn't like it very much. So because your child may not use a swing or may not like them, that's something to consider when purchasing. And another great thing, if you know somebody that has a swing, it's great to just borrow one. Or I have a friend that she has 2 other friends and they just pass those big items around. So I love that tip. So this is the setting, the lowest setting. This is setting 1. Now I'm gonna put it on setting 6. So you have settings from 1 to 6. And I will tell you that Graco was a really great company to work with because I believe there was something that was wrong, a bear was missing or something didn't come in the package. And because I know we have extra bears and an extra little thing to hold the bear. So whatever was wrong, they fixed it and sent it to us. So that's your highest setting there. Well, now I'm gonna turn the setting down. And if you see this, I think this right here is what rotates it. So it will rotate this way and it will rock that way. So you can try different ways and see which way your baby is most comfortable. It also turns this way when you press this button, and then of course it rocks. And then you can also pull this gray lever here and pull it up, and then you can detach it. So that's really awesome, and it sits down really nicely. I'll move it completely on the floor. So if you don't want to move the whole thing, you can even use it as a manual rock, and you can rock it with your feet. And oftentimes I would put, when my son was real little and I needed to take a shower, I would put him in this and he would just rock while I was taking a shower. So that was a great feature of it. It was wonderful. There is a little thing that like does the vibration. You have to put a battery in there. We did that sometimes, but we really didn't use that feature a lot. Okay, and then I believe, well, I want to say the last thing, but I'll show you some more of the buttons and feature. But I'm gonna pull this towards me, and if you'll look right here, this is something I did not realize until I had my son. So it reclines, so it can come fully up like this, or it can go fully back. So they can actually sit up instead of laying down the whole time. So I mean, I should have known that because it says recline right on there, but I actually just never realized that. So now I'm going to put this to the side and I'll show you some of the other features. So of course you have your little bears that go around, and then you have your music. So many options of music. Then you have like your weather sounds. And of course your volume control, and then you shut the music off. If you have any questions or comments or anything that you want to know further about this product, please feel free to drop a comment down below. I will also drop an affiliate link, an Amazon affiliate link down in the description section. If you'd like to click on it and order through me, through Teacher Mom Talks, I'd really appreciate that. And lastly, if you want to see more videos from products that I've used or anything that I've found to be helpful as a parent or mom, or even a teacher at times, feel free to subscribe and you can stay updated on new and upcoming videos. So until then, may the adventures that lie ahead bring you joy, growth, and experiences that inspire you to be the best teacher and mom God created you to be. Have a happy day.